Today for lunch, my family is eating beef heart. None of us have ever had beef heart before, and this is actually the heart from a steer that we butchered at our house just a few days ago. It was a steer that was born and raised on our property, and he was completely grass-fed. So come along and I'll show you how I prepare it, how I cook it, and how we feel about eating it after we're done. Flavor, texture. Though you know, probably any cut of meat can be good if it's cooked properly, but I've never cooked this before, so I don't know if it'll be proper or not. I'm a little freaked out by it, but it looks really good when I look it up, like recipes and stuff.
Is that his heart?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like a hunk of meat, so it won't be too hard to eat.
Yeah.
That's huge.
Yep. So I'm just gonna slice it into these long slices and then fry it. So these are the bits I cut off. And here's the pile of meat. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't have cut that off. I guess we'll find out. Okay, I have a glorious amount of butter, and I'm gonna start frying these up. Hot meat coming through.
This could run your plate. Yeah. Dude, this is so soft.
You guys know what we're eating, right?
Brownies.
Okay. Have you ever had heart before?
No.
Do you know one of Daddy and mine's goals is whenever we raise and harvest an animal on our farm is that we try to eat as much of it as possible so that it doesn't go to waste. And one of the parts that people can eat is the heart, though a lot of people don't.
Yes. What do we do with the guts?
Well, some of the organs we kept, like the heart and the liver,
But like the gut.
we fed the guts to the pigs.
What about the stomach?
I'm pretty sure it went to the pigs.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have the tail for stock, broth.
For the pigs, can we like fry the tails?
Yes. Well, have you ever had tongue before?
No.
And how do you feel about eating brownie's tongue?
Fine.
Okay. Or just tongue in general. I think it's interesting as we go on this journey that, so I almost can't get you in, of raising our own meat and stuff. Help me.
I'm a pilot at a pilot one.
It's interesting to us, or to me anyway, that there's so much more to the animal that you can eat. And that's what we're trying to do. We harvested the fat, we're getting the bones back from the butcher, we made broth out of the head. I should have used its brain to tan the hide, but I didn't know that, so I'll do that next time. We're gonna eat the organs, and today it's the heart. It's just interesting to me that most of those cuts of meat get just wasted. Like so much of the animal nowadays is just completely wasted. It is fascinating and just extremely exciting to me that instead of getting this percentage of just meat back, we are using almost the whole animal. Really, the whole animal, except we didn't use the hooves. We did say like the legs of the hoof, but not the hoof itself. I just didn't want it. I want them.
We should have filmed when we cooked his head into stock.
Yeah, I can show you the stock. There's the stock.
It's like jelly.
All right, let's serve everybody.
Mommy, I don't want any meat. I don't want any meat. I don't want any meat.
That's fine. All right, here is my beef. I wanted it medium rare. I feel like I achieved that goal. Not all of the kids are wanting to eat this meat. Okay, what do you think?
It is extremely good. It's very tender.
Yes, it
You
is.
cooked it right. It's actually extremely tender. And it tastes like beef.
The only thing that I noticed that's really different is that the texture is a lot different. What would you call that? It's like slick in your mouth, or?
It has like a more fine texture, I would say. It's more smooth. Like the fibers are smaller in it or something.
Grace, have you gotten to taste any yet?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Look.
Really? You like it?
Look at this guy.
Joyful, do you know why you're not eating the meat?
I'm a vegetarian for whole-grown food.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Even chicken?
No.
Even pork? Like bacon?
I'm a whole-grown vegetarian for brownies.
Okay. Hey, do you know why you don't want any meat?
It looks yucky.
It looks yucky?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want the swirly piece? Stop!
Hey, are you tasting the meat? Do you like it? Okay, Wilder, do you like it? Have you tasted it yet? Here you go. Mmm.
Let's see, dog.
Do you like it? I think he does. Look, Wilder likes it.
Yummy.
Yay.
Only piece I'm not going to eat is this.
Yay.
I'm not going to eat this.
Thanks for joining us today as we tried something new, beef heart. And let us know in the comments if you eat offal, I think that's what it's called, or organs from your animals. Have a good day.
Come on. No.
Did it look yucky because you know it's a heart? Is that why?
And because it looks like poop.